We've codified our existence to bring it down to human size, to make it comprehensible. We've created a scale so that we can forget its unfathomable scale.
Greetings. I am Hatshepsut, pharaoh of the two lands, once believed the cosmos was a simple reflection of divine order. The sun, the moon, the stars, they moved in a rhythm like the Nile, bringing stability to our world. In my time, the heavens mirrored our earthly power, as though we were destined to guide it. The celestial bodies were our companions, their motions steady and predictable, a divine harmony ensuring our reign. But now, as I stand beyond the ages, I see the true complexity of the universe, far beyond the simple order I once imagined. There exists a mystery in the very fabric of the cosmos, a force so vast and unseen that it shapes the course of the stars themselves. It is called dark matter, a presence that binds the galaxies together, a shadow across the heavens that we cannot touch, cannot see, but cannot deny. It is the unseen force that, much like the gods themselves, influences the motions of the heavens, guiding them with an invisible hand. Its story begins not in the realms of mortals, but in the hearts of the stars, where its presence was first whispered by those who dared to peer beyond the surface of the world. Fritz Zwicky, a man of reason and discovery, first named this elusive force in 1933. He gazed upon the galaxies of the Coma cluster, where the stars moved with such speed that no visible matter could account for their motion. He sensed that there must be something unseen, an invisible force at work, holding the galaxies together. This was no mere speculation. It was a truth uncovered by the laws of gravity, which had once ruled both the heavens and the earth. But it was not until decades later, in the 1970s, that Vera Rubin, a scholar of the stars, confirmed what Zwicky had suspected. She studied the rotation of galaxies, observing how stars on the outer edges spun at speeds that should have torn them apart. And yet, they remained bound to their galactic homes, as though a hidden force held them steadfast. This was the dark matter, the invisible hand that shaped the dance of the stars. Still, this presence remained a mystery. It could not be seen, nor could it be touched by the instruments of the time. Yet its influence could be felt across the vastness of space, from the spinning of galaxies to the collision of galaxy clusters, where dark matter's presence was revealed in the way the galaxies moved and merged. It was a force that guided the universe in ways that mortal eyes could not comprehend, shaping the very fabric of the cosmos. In the present age, scientists have come to accept the existence of dark matter, though its true nature remains a riddle. Some believe it is made of particles called WIMPs, weakly interacting massive particles, while others speculate it could be composed of axions, tiny particles with almost no mass. And there are theories of something even more complex, a realm known as the dark sector, where particles we have yet to understand shape a parallel universe, hidden from our sight but ever present. But despite these theories, dark matter remains an enigma, a force we can measure only by its effects on the visible universe. It pulls on the galaxies, influences their motions, and guides the structure of the cosmos. It is, in many ways, the invisible foundation upon which the heavens are built, its presence as constant as the rhythm of the Nile. At the Sanford Underground Research Facility in South Dakota, deep beneath the earth, scientists continue the search for dark matter. Their instruments, delicate, hypersensitive devices designed to detect the faintest traces of this unseen force, are the modern-day tools of discovery, much like the stone carvings and temples of my own time. Here, in the silence of the earth, they hope to uncover the true nature of dark matter, to grasp what lies behind the veil and understand the force that shapes the very stars. For dark matter is not just an invisible force, it is the silent architect of the universe. Its presence felt in the spinning of galaxies, the collision of clusters, and the vast structure of the cosmos. It is a power that has existed since the dawn of creation, and it will continue to shape the universe for ages yet to come. Though we may not yet fully understand it, we know this much. Dark matter is a force as essential to the cosmos as the divine order once thought to govern the heavens. A force that guides the stars and the fate of the universe itself. And so, as we continue to peer into the unknown, seeking the elusive traces of dark matter, we are reminded of the eternal mysteries that lie beyond our reach. Mysteries as vast and unknowable as the cosmos itself, yet as fundamental to the universe as the very ground beneath our feet.